Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Today, on the back of geopolitical tensions, we are going to see lower opening for our markets. If Nifty is indicating nearly 250 to 75 points lower opening as compared to its previous close. Oil climbed for the third day after the specific Israel's retaliatory strike against Iran. Traders are betting that Brent may even hit the levels of $90 to $100 again. So that's the risk on the back of supply disruption in the Middle East. If we go through with let's say other macros, then in that Japan's stocks are gaining on the back of Japan's yen again weakened in the last two trading sessions, so which is something again will help the Japanese stocks to do well. It was around 144 levels, now it is at 147 levels from in last 2 days. So that is something which is actually now reducing the fear of Japan's yen carry trade. But other macros are not in favor, and maybe that will actually keep the market under pressure. Technically, if we see the setup of the market, then 25,500 should act as major support. Here the market is having support of 20 days simple moving average, and whenever we see the market is approaching to 20 days simple moving average, we see some rebound or some pullback to the immediate sell-off. So broadly we are of the view that we should look for taking some contra bet between or around 25,500 levels with a stop loss at 25,300 on a closing basis. Again, if we see any rebound, then 25,800, which was the previous low, and 25,900, these are the two important levels where again the market can stop. Reduce long position if we see the market is again approaching to 25,800 or 900 levels. So keep reducing long position as the markets are under a lot of uncertainties, and whenever there is uncertainties, it is very difficult for the market to trade smoothly, and that's the reason we need to be careful. For the Bank Nifty, there also we saw closing around 52,900, which was the trend deciding level for the Bank Nifty, but on the back of this particular tensions, we may see lower opening, and 52,500, 52,300 is the area of support, which is again having the support of 20 days simple moving average. So around these levels, select few bank stocks to take a contra bet, or even on the index, with a stop loss at 52,000 on a closing basis. So these are the levels, and accordingly we can design our trading strategy. Commodities are doing well, but today we may see some correction, and on correction at important support levels, again try to look for adding stocks like Nalco, Tata Steel, as well as Vedanta, Hindalco. These are the four stocks on which we are going to focus. For bank stocks, HDFC Bank as well as ICICI Bank should be on the radar. And finally, from the IT space, where there is defensive sort of nature, we may see some specific interest in stocks like TCS as well as Infosys. That's all from my side. With this, I'm ending today's call. Thank you very much for listening me, and have a great day to all of you.